Pete, talk me through where the rubber meets the road. What and how do you select the right tyre for your truck?
Well, Mark, this is a truck, isn't it? The 70. She's pretty tough. People who own these things tend to be conceived in the back of them, really. They drive them all their lives. And they tend to understand that when you really want to go somewhere, you need mud terrain tyres. It's when we're spending a lot more time on the road or towing big trailers, that's when we really need to start getting more rubber on the road instead of running on the tips of the tyres. So that's why more road work, go to a more roady type tyre. Appreciate that you're more likely to get injured in a high-speed accident on the road than you are not making it through a mud bog.
So you can do an on-off road as opposed to a mud terrain, yeah?
Yeah, you can. What we tend to find is that an all-terrain tyre, they totally changed now.
Yep.
You know, there used to be that if you wanted to go somewhere, you needed a real big muddy. But nowadays, the old all-terrain tyre does most people, which is what the Hilux comes on anyway. We know how capable they are on the standard rubber. It's only when you're getting into the real deep stuff that I reckon you really need to go to a mud terrain tyre.
Okay, so in effect, you're telling me that my Hilux down south with mud terrain tyres on it, which I mainly go on the road, is probably a bit more for show than reality.
Oh, I think there's a lot of that goes on around the place, Mark. Tyre pressure is the holy grail of what you do with the vehicle.
Okay.
So the manufacturer sets a good pressure for a good reason, carry a bit more load, run a bit more pressure, running no load, soften the pressure a little bit, but keep within those specs, and check the flying things all the time.